Alright, I didn't just turn the camera on to rub my head and pat it. Let's it's really bright. I always get startled. I get startled by I get weakened and startled by the camera turn on. There. That ought to be better. How to, in this video, just give me a second here. Just give me a second here to collect my bearings. This is going to be a very simple, straight to the point video, as usual. Okay. Now, listen up. In the past, excuse me. Okay, this isn't going as well as I had planned it. I just want to talk about something very quickly. Here, if I could just illuminate a subject that has been so elusive, so avoidable over the last year. It just wasn't there. It just wasn't there. The topic of public advertising on YouTube channels. Yes, how cliche, how passé, and what a faux pas to talk about YouTube while doing a YouTube video. But I am, and I will. Yeah, I really will. So in this one, in the last week, I've been given two very, very mediocre at best. I wouldn't even give them that. I would give them needs work. I would report them as needs work on the report card for marketing department of ES Cleaner, which is a it's an internet, it's a computer company. It's an app that will basically clean your computer, clean your phone, clean the junk files, that type of thing. Had contacted me earlier in the week, last week, regarding making them a YouTube video, a 30-second spot at the end of each of my videos, to which I replied, you're sending me an email, okay? You're sending me an email, first of all. You're already in my shit list. You're sending me an email with vague information, second of all, from an email that could even be fake. I never even heard of this person before. They didn't even have the name spelt right. It was supposed to be Samantha. It was spelled Samantha. Your name is not Samantha. Give me a break. There's no such thing. I've never met a woman named Samantha in my life. So Samantha comes to me and asks me to make them this video. To which I replied, show me the money. To which they replied, you got to make us this video. Everything we want, we gotta watch it first. And if you want to put this at the end of each of your videos, 30-second spot. I said I make about 3 to 4 videos a month. It's going to cost you $200 a month, $50 a pop. I think that's a very good deal. And I know they got money. I know damn well they got money. And they're coming to me with nothing. That's essentially what they brought me. An opportunity to make them a free video. So I said, let's play ball. You're going to give me $25 as a startup fee, just to show me that you're serious about this partnership and that I can somewhat trust that this is not a scam. If all else fails, one of us loses. One of us loses $25 here. Well, I guess I wouldn't lose $25, but what I'm saying is if I make them the video and they don't get what they want and we can't come to an agreement after the $25 has been paid, it's not refundable. I'm the boss, buddy. You're not getting nothing for free from me. And they said, no, you got to make us the video and then we'll pay. And I said, scrap that. Never call me, never talk to me again. That's the end of it. So no more from them. About 2 days ago, I received another one. This time it was from a different company. Shark VPN or something like that. Virtual private networks. So I received the marketer's name was Alex. Never heard of this person before. Said that they want me to make them their very own YouTube video. To which I pretty much got the same message from the first one. It was very vague, and just didn't have too much weight to it. Didn't make me want to do it. So I charged $4,000. I said, you're gonna pay $4,000 for your own video, because I don't have anything to do with VPNs. Like, I don't really care about VPNs. You know, I don't want my channel to be about VPNs, virtual private network. So it's like private internet connection. They want me to showcase their new product or whatever. I don't even know. They didn't give me much detail. Alex Bryant was the name of this marketing department goon. So he quickly declined the $4,000. He said, your channel's not that big. Let's be honest, it's not that. I said, that's true. He goes, he says to me, your views tend to fluctuate. Some of my videos get 25,000 views, other videos only get 150, which is true. So I told the man, okay, I'm done pricing things here. Put out a number. He goes, well, we're willing to give you revenue shares. I said, I don't even know who you are. I'm not doing revenue shares. I'm not making you a video so I can get revenue shares. I says, with the way I promote my videos, you give me $100, I can make this, I can put a lot of views on this video just with that $100 alone. We'll do the revenue sharing. And you can just lower that. They said we can do 150 US, $150. I know it doesn't sound like much, but right now I don't have much coming in, so it was enough to get me to make them the video. I said, all right, send it. And he says you get 40% of the profit sharing, which will work out to about $50 a sale for their product if they click my link or they got it somehow from my video. He goes, because of frauds and, risk management, we have to have you make the video and then send it to us and confirm that it's appropriate before we give you any money. I said, you're contacting me. I don't even know who you are. I've never heard of you before. You could be a catfish. You could be a scammer. You could just want me to make a video with whatever it was, Shark or Surf VPN or something like that in the name. Do you know how easy these videos are to copy? You can literally just click the link, copy it, and then paste it anywhere you want. Download it and paste it anywhere you want in the world. I'm not stupid. I said, Alex, this is it. And no money, no video. We're done. No more messages. He said, okay, thanks anyways. And I'm sure it was an auto click on the email, like when you get like 3 automatic replies, you just click whatever one like seems to fit. So he didn't even reply to that. I just love it. I really do. I just love it when people think that they can take advantage of somebody that doesn't have a good credibility or doesn't have a good, seemingly good reputation financially, or maybe my resume is not as decorated as some of these people out there, but I'm not going to get the shaft. I'm not going to get the short end of the stick. So to the next marketer that truly wants my attention, that truly wants me to make them a video for their company, advertising, marketing, whatever, no money, no deal. I'm the boss. Money up front, or you're cut. I don't play no games. And I don't care about your money. But you do. To you, money comes first. So if I don't see money in my hands from you, I know that you don't care about me. Your secret's now out of the bag. Have a great day.